All right, so welcome everyone once again tonight for tonight's training. So we're going to be looking at LinkedIn account setup class 1. So once again, you all know my name, Adekunle Tolulade, and this training is powered by Grappa Digital Hub. So you can follow Grappa Digital Hub on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, and also on YouTube. So you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is important because for you to be part of this training, you'll be taking some courses that are uploaded on our YouTube channel, and there
Okay.
is I need for you to subscribe to our channel. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, so once we're looking at LinkedIn account setup 1. So in our first class, we've seen introduction to LinkedIn, what LinkedIn is, how to open a new LinkedIn account as a newbie. So tonight we're going to be looking at how to set up your LinkedIn account. That is how to optimize your LinkedIn account. So how to optimize your LinkedIn account. I hope everyone can see my screen. So we're going to be looking at how to optimize your LinkedIn account. All right, so I hope everyone can see my screen.
Yes.
All right, so this is a newly created LinkedIn account. It is Mr. Joseph's account. So this is the first LinkedIn account we created. And now we want to be looking at how to optimize this LinkedIn account. So in other words, we want to be looking at how to set up your LinkedIn profile. How to set up your LinkedIn profile. So let me say, for example, you see this Oche right now. So this is Oche Wright's LinkedIn profile. So what you can see, this thing that is circled, I think it's still loading. This picture that is circled, it is Oche Wright's profile picture. And this you are seeing as a background, like as a background picture or as a background image. This Oche Wright content marketing trainer. It is just like his cover picture. Do you understand? So we have your profile picture and we also have a LinkedIn cover picture. So what you are seeing here is Oche Wright's LinkedIn profile picture, and what you are seeing that is saying Oche Wright content marketing trainer is Oche Wright's LinkedIn's cover photo. So we're going to be looking at how to set up your account as a professional. We're going to be looking at how to write your about you. We're going to be looking at how to set up your account that maybe you want to include your educational background. You want to include any professional certification you have. Maybe you want to include maybe your current job, the current job you are doing. Maybe you want to include anything that has to do, any information you want people to know. So we're going to be looking at how to add those informations tonight. So the first thing is, now this is the home page. This is Joseph's LinkedIn homepage. So we want to optimize his LinkedIn account. Now the first thing we go to is we go to the upper part where we have the menu bar. So where we have the me, you will see we have the me. You click on this drop down, you click on it, and you click on the name. You click on the name, Joseph Kende. So I'm clicking on the name, Joseph Kende. So now we want to start his account optimization. So the first thing you do is you upload your profile picture. Now, profile picture is very key. It is the first thing people will see when people come to your LinkedIn account. So they see your profile picture and they see your cover image. So having a profile picture, it's so important because you don't have anything fishy. So to upload your profile picture is very simple. You click on this camera icon. Once you click on the camera icon, it's going to tell you, do you want to do what? Do you want to upload a picture or do you want to use a camera? So once you click on upload picture, it's going to take you to, if you're using a phone, it's going to take you to where you have your phone gallery, where you have your pictures saved. It's going to take you to where you have your pictures. If you're using a PC, it's going to take you to your system gallery as well, where you have your pictures saved. So once you are ready to upload your picture, you click on upload and you choose the image you want to use. But for this training, I'm not going to be using any image. So also the next thing is your cover photo. Now, let me explain something here. When it comes to your cover photo speaks more about who you are. It speaks more about who you are. For example, as you can see, Oche Wright. Oche Wright is a content marketer. So let's say, for example, you are a digital marketer and you want people to know that you're a digital marketer when they come to your LinkedIn account or your LinkedIn page. So the first thing you do is you design your cover photo to have maybe your name, your product picture already have your name and what you do. Maybe digital marketer, maybe I'm a digital marketing coach, maybe I'm a digital marketing coach with a focus of or with the mind of training over 2,000 students in Nigeria, impacting knowledge on digital marketing. Exactly. So your cover photo is going to carry an information about you and it should be designed. Now, this is why as a digital marketer, you still need to have little knowledge of how to design, at least how to use Canva. So your first assignment tonight that I'm going to give to you is I want you to write this down. Your first assignment is search for LinkedIn cover photo dimension. Now search for LinkedIn cover photo dimension. What do I mean? Okay, I don't want to say it. Just search for LinkedIn cover photo dimension. So that is going to guide you on how to design your LinkedIn cover photo. It's so easy, just like as you have your profile picture. So you can, once you have your cover photo designed, once you have your cover photo designed, you can, so for example, for example, if I want to upload something as my LinkedIn cover photo, if you want to upload something as a LinkedIn cover photo, you're going to click on this camera icon and I'm going to click on edit profile by background. So I'm going to click on edit profile background. Let's say, for example, I want to make this as my LinkedIn cover photo. I'll click on it. Have you seen it? Then I can now drag to what exactly I want people to see. So after dragging, I'll click on apply. So that means I've applied this as my LinkedIn cover photo. So once people come to my page, the first thing they see is this cover photo which speaks about me. So in your own case, your first assignment is you're going to get the LinkedIn dimension, the LinkedIn cover photo dimension, and you can maybe go to your Canva if you know how to use Canva, go to Photoshop, just open your design app, then type in the dimension you want to start to design with and design your cover photo. If you don't know how to design, you can actually reach out to someone to design for you. Just give the person the dimension you want, and the person is going to design your cover photo based on the information you want to have on your profile. So the next thing is profile picture. So this can be changed. For example, if you want to change this profile cover photo, the next thing is to click on this pencil icon again. You click on this pencil icon again, and you scroll down, and you click on change photo. So, for example, this is not, for example, if you want to change your cover photo, you can come and change it here. So, if you want to upload your profile picture, you click on the camera icon again, as I've told you. You click on upload photo, and it's going to take you to where you have pictures on your what on your computer or your phone. So let's say, for example, I want to upload this picture. I'll click on open. So you can as well come and change this. I'll click on save photo. So it's very easy. It's very easy. So now we've seen how to upload your cover photo or your cover image and how to upload your profile picture. So the next thing is we want to look at your profile. Want to set up your profile now about you. Want to set up a profile about you. It's very easy. Can you see? LinkedIn is even suggesting to you that you should complete these 3 steps or these 3 steps to achieve all star, which is what? Add your education, add your skills. So the first thing we'll be doing is I want to add education. It's so easy. Just follow it. This is how to optimize your LinkedIn account. It's so easy. So this is how to optimize. So the first thing is asking for your school, is asking for your degree, is asking for your field of study, and is asking for your month. For the months maybe you started or the months as well that you graduated. So I'm not going to be filling all this information because at the end of this class, it's just to guide you on how to go about your step-by-step setup of your page or your account optimization. So at the end of this training, I expect you to do what? To set up your LinkedIn account based on what you've been taught. So the next thing you are going to do is to do what? Come here and fill in your school, the school you attended. So let's say, for example, you want to, let's say, for example, you want to add all of your, you want to, what most people add is, most people add their first degree. Most people don't add from maybe the primary school or the secondary school. So most people add from their first degree. Let's say, for example, you attended Federal University of Technology, Owerri. You come and type Federal University of Owerri here. Then the degree you are awarded, maybe bachelor's of this, you type it. Then your field. So maybe you studied business administration, you write it there, business administration. Then the start date, the date you started, the date you are admitted to the school, you put it there. Then the date what you left the school. But you can see that it is optional now. Let me tell you something. Now, once you see star or asterisk in front of any field, this is telling you that it is a field that it must be filled. It is not optional, it is a must. If you do not fill it, you won't be allowed to save this educational background. So you have to do what? You have to put in your school for your page to be fully optimized. You have to put your school. So you put your school, your degree, your field of study, the start and end date. Then when you are done, you click on save. So that is what you have added your educational background. So the next thing is what you want to add your skills. It's so easy. You do what? You click on add skills again. You click on add skills and it's telling you that which skills do you have? So it's saying these are the suggested skills based on your profile. So don't forget, it said it's an engineer. That's why this engineering skill is popping up. So let's say, for example, you want to add another skill, you come here. So let's say, for example, engineering, you mark engineering, you want to add engineering as part of your skill. Then you do what? You save it. Do you understand? You save it. But I must still tell you that this is not what? It is still not fully optimized. This page is not fully still optimized. So you can now come to add profile section. Now, this is now where we want to now fully optimize our page. So it's saying add about. It's saying add about. Now, the about you is what people will see when they see your name, your LinkedIn name. For example, as you can see Joseph Kende behind this, as you can see Joseph Kende behind this. And so, okay, let me close it first. So this thing you see Joseph Kende, engineer at aviation. So if you add your about, it's going to be all year. It's going to be all year. So I'm going to add profile section. So if you want to add about, so you can come and write Joseph. So you can start writing, you can start typing. I am Joseph Kende. I am an engineer. I'm interested in this and that. All about you. or all about your profession or you. That is the about section. That's what it is saying you should do. All about you or or your profession. So the next thing is you add education. You can come here again and add your education. Just like as we saw the last time, you come and add your education. I will not explain this one again. Then again, you come and say add profile again. You can add your position. So let's say, for example, you are working somewhere. If you are working somewhere, you're going to come here and let's say, for example, you are a retail sales manager. You're going to write, I'm a retail sales manager. You're going to write your employment type. If you are full-time or part-time or you're self-employed, you're going to write full-time. Your company name, the company you are employed at, the company that employed you. You're going to write the company that employed you's name. Then also the location the company is. And when you started working with the company, you're going to put it, and you're going to put you're going to put when you started working in the company. So far, you are still working with the company. But let's say, for example, you've worked with 4 or 5 different companies and you want to add your experience. So you're going to come and say, you're going to come and fill up your start and end date. You're going to come and write your start and end date. So if you are not currently working there, you are going to uncheck, I am currently working in this role. So you're going to click when you started working in that company, in company A, and when you ended working in company A. So the description is all about what you were doing in company A. So once you are done saving this, you can do what? If you want to add any media for proof, maybe they gave you certificate for proof, you can come and add it. So you click on what? You click on save. You click on save. So let's say, for example, you are not done. You still have, you have worked in different companies. So once you click on save, it's going to ask you again that do you want to add? You're going to see like an addition sign. So you're going to do what? You're going to add the next place you worked after you stopped working at company A. At company B, you add it. Company C, you add it till where you are working currently. So it is so easy how to optimize your LinkedIn account. So I'm going to discard this because I'm not going to be using it. So the next thing is what? I'm going to add your career break. Now, for career break, you're going to add experiences out of your career path. So let's say, for example, you're an engineer, do you understand? And it's saying type, please select type. Maybe you are now, you are into personal development. Maybe you are into anything travel, something outside your main career path. So this is where you come and add it. So maybe you've traveled to somewhere. Okay, maybe you've traveled to somewhere, or maybe you are undergoing a professional development training. Maybe with a firm or with any agency, you come and write professional development. Then here you write the location. So am I currently working on this career? Yes. If you're currently taking the training, you check it. I'm going to type when you started working and exactly what you are learning. So you write it here. So I'm still going to close it. And after that, you click on save. So the next thing again is what? It's saying you add your skills. So your skills are your skill sets. Do you understand? So for example, if you have marketing skills, you're going to add it. If you have sales skills, you're going to add it. If you have project management skills, you're going to add it. If you have leadership skills, you're going to add it. So any skills you have, you're going to add it here. So you can come and write another skill. You can type it out and do what? And add it here. So this is how to optimize your LinkedIn account. So once you are done with all this, you kept on clicking on save. So the next thing is saying recommended. So it's saying completing these sections will increase your credibility and give you access to more opportunity. So maybe you want to add, if you have a license or certifications, let's say, for example, you've taken a digital marketing course, you can now come here and add certifications. So you can come and say, digital marketing professional. So maybe being given by Grappa Digital Hub, you write it here. So this credential does not expire yet. Then the date you are giving, maybe you are giving 14th of March 2022. You write it here. Do you understand? You set it here so that people can know that, oh, at so time you have undergone this training with this so firm. So it's going to even increase your chances of, let's say, for example, you're looking for a job. If someone comes to LinkedIn and search you, it's going to increase your chances of getting the job, or increase your chances of, someone hiring you, or maybe giving you an engineering service. Do you understand? Or offering you an engineering service. So this is everything you need to do when it comes to. So if you, maybe you are currently taking a particular course, you come here, you add your courses. If you want to add maybe a recommendation, maybe from your boss, from anybody, you come and add your recommendations. So the next thing is what you want to add. Maybe if you have volunteered somewhere, you come and add it. If you have any publication that you published, maybe your first degree publication, maybe your first degree project, maybe a second degree project, you come and put it here. If you have any project you are currently working on as an engineer, you come and add it here. If you have any honors or any award you've gotten, you come here and add it. So it's very simple. So you can also come here and do what? And add your languages and add your languages. Let's say, for example, you can speak Spanish, you can speak French, you can speak German. You come here and you add all the languages. And that is it about your LinkedIn account optimization. So once you fill up all that, you are going to be having the same profile just like these people that you can see. So once you optimize your LinkedIn account, you're going to be having the same, you're going to be having the same profile just like you can see it. You're going to be having the same optimized page. So you can see this person's experience. Is a designer, is a design engineer. You can see his education. You can see what he's interested in. Do you understand? So this is a fully optimized LinkedIn account. Can you see this person does not even have any cover photo? Maybe because he not know how to design something, or maybe just forgot to do it. So that is how to add or how to optimize your LinkedIn account. So it's quite simple. It's quite simple. It's quite simple. It's quite simple. All right. So I'm going to be entertaining questions now. I'm going to be entertaining questions now. I'm going to be entertaining questions now. I'm going to be entertaining questions now.